So we are about to start another nursery for our tomato and pepper, and this time around we are planting a different pepper variety. As we can see here, this is Loleza RZ. It's F1 hybrid seed. Loleza RZ does Loleza. We'll be planting Loleza this time around, and this is a different variety. And we have another one. This is Lengai RZ. We have Lengai RZ. The Lengai RZ is 1, 2, 3. I have 3 Lengai RZ here that I'll be planting as well. And guess what? We have this bell pepper, Kaveri F1 Bell Pepper, 500 seed, that I'll be planting to see how they are going to do in open field. So we're planting this bell pepper in open field to see what will come out. I've not done bell pepper outside before. I've not done bell pepper in open field before. This is my first time, so I'll be excited to see what bell pepper in open field will look like. So I hope you join me through this journey. So it's 500 seed, but I won't be planting the 500 seed. I will be planting maybe 200 to just see how they will do. And of course, this is our tomato. This time around we are doing Cobra 26 F1 tomato. The last project we did, we planted platinum F1. This time around we are planting Cobra F1, and we still have our super Habanero not yet here, but I will still get it. And these are the containers that we will use for our nursery. Of course, we know we have tomato, we have this for the bell pepper, this one is for the Lengai, and this one is for Loleza. So each of these containers will put the seed inside and soak in water and wait for 12 hours after soaking, and then we'll remove it. So stay tuned. I'll show you all the process. We have to do this before the nursing proper. This is just 100 seed, of this Loleza F1. Keep the container here, and we have this one, another container for this one. This is Loleza Lengai RZ. We also keep it by the side, and so this is Cobra F1. So I will because you know I'll not use all in this particular one, just use like 200 of this particular bell pepper. So we have all our seed here. This is the bell pepper that we have, and this is Caribbean red, and this is Lengai RZ. This is Loleza RZ, and this is our Cobra 26 F1 tomato. So this is the first stage of our nursing process. Now what we have to do next now is to add water, soak them in water, and leave them for 12 hours. Okay, yeah, start. So we'll cover them, we'll cover all of them. And we'll leave them like this for 12 hours and then we'll continue. So after 12 hours of soaking the seed in water, you can see this is our Caribbean Habanero pepper. After 12 hours of soaking, we will now open them up. This is Lengai Rz F1 seed, and this other one in the white takeaway plate is Loleza RZ F1. So what I will do next is to get a wet towel. As you can see, get a wet towel, and I will sieve out the water from the seed, from each of the seed. I'll sieve out the water just to keep only the seed in the wet towel. That's what I will do for all. I'll do it for all the seed, one after the other. So this one now is another towel for the this particular Caribbean red habanero pepper. So I'll sieve out the water, put the seed in this wet towel, and wrap it together, make it airtight in the wet towel. I'll just wrap it together, as you can see, and also be careful so that the seed doesn't fall off when you are sieving it out. So that's how you make sure you put the seed carefully, sieve out the water carefully. So I'll fold it and make it airtight. Remove the water first. As you can see, remove all the water in the towel so that it not be like too wet. Okay, and I will now fold it, make it airtight, as you can see. And what I will do is to put this particular seed in inside a takeaway plate. Inside the takeaway plate, I will do this particular method for all the seed that we are nursing. So these are the 4 seed. These are 4 pepper seeds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this other one is the tomato seed that we have. So after that, I will cover this takeaway plate. I'll cover the takeaway plate. Make sure it is airtight as well. Then I will take it outside to keep it under the sun. So I'll keep it under the sun for 3 days. Not that they will stay on the sun for outside for 3 days. When it's evening, I can take it back. Next day again, I'll bring it back again outside the sun. So it will be like this inside these plates for 3 days, and I will show you what happens after 3 days. Stay tuned. So at this stage, you want to start the nursing proper. So you can see we have our bowl here. Then this is our the potting soil. The potting soil. This is 70 liters of potting soil, and these are the crates that we'll use. We have others also. So what we'll do first is to put this potting soil in this particular bowl. See, we have our potting soil, and what we'll do next is to add some water inside the potting soil. Add some water inside the potting soil. We'll put some water. So what we're trying to do is to make the mixture, the potting soil, to make it wet. Then this is our fill the tray with potting soil. You make sure you feed them properly so that the seed will have a very good place to develop their roots. So you can see. Use a fresh tray to create a hole where you put the seed. You see. So now put the seeds here. So this, you can see where we have our seeds here. So this is the seed we had to put for 3 days. Now I want to open it to see how far we're able to break the dormancy. As you can see that they are already sprouting. You can see them. So we've successfully broken the dormancy of this pepper. So now I have to put them in the tray. This is one. Let us look at another one and see what we have here. You can see these ones also. We have broken dormancy, so we'll start putting them in the nursing tray. So let's go. You make sure that it's one per hole. It's one per hole, because we have 128 cells here, so we should complete each of them will be only one seed per hole.